So we can see the DOGE. There is a movement in DOGE, and yes, I took a long position in the DOGE and already achieved one target. And the next target is this one. Let me change the color. Breakout is here, and Mhm, mhm. So the first target is achieved, and we are moving towards our next target, target 2. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Move up. Done. The target is achieved. Okay. There is a momentum in a Doge coin. Okay, so we can just exit here. Let me exit on my another screen, the account. Done. So the target is achieved. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little session, and this is how the power of analysis work. Yeah, it's just required your time and dedication towards the market. You need to just understand the market direction, and you can just take the entry on your risk. If you can learn, then you can earn. That's it. That's it about today. Thank you for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe this video, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you everyone.